I'm Dr. Bryan Truong, and I specialize in general internal medicine. Why I love internal medicine is because it involves a lot of problem solving, and it's like putting together like a huge, glorious puzzle over time. And it's also a good way to connect to people and build relationships with your patients and with everyone that you work with. Because oftentimes there's not a quick fix to a lot of problems that people have. Some of the things that I treat include high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, asthma, COPD, and many of these things are important to treat because they affect patients' lives every single day. I am actually frequently inspired and impressed by patients all the time, just how resilient they are, just how hard they work at taking care of themselves and at working with us in order to improve their health and to assist with us in managing their health care. When a person has struggled with an illness, particularly for a long period of time, it makes me feel relief for them when they finally start to get a positive outcome. It makes me feel happy for them. It makes me feel overjoyed for them. And it also makes me proud of, not myself, but of the patient and all the people that I work with and that have worked with the patient to get them to that point. Because, credit deserves to be spread around. It's not just one person that made it that way. It's everybody. I chose to work at Virginia Mason because I feel like from them that patient care is their most important priority, and that they don't see patients as just numbers or as part of a bottom line. And everyone who I talked to when I was looking, at different places to work, seemed like they all cared about patients and about people in general. And everybody was very forthcoming, very kind, very nice and generous with their time, but also very honest with me, which are all things that I appreciate in people that I work with and work for. When I'm not working, I like to go to the movies and just relax and watch them and discuss them with my wife. I also have a dog, adopt, don't shop, and I love to take my dog out. And there's so many parks and places to go and hike in Washington. I just love to take my dog to all of them, and she just loves it. What I love most about my job is connecting to people, particularly with patients, and building relationships with them over time, getting to know them as people and seeing them grow and having them see me grow over time. And also, the same with the people that I work with. That's always going to be the most rewarding part of my job, is connecting with other people.